I like to make sure that I'm going in the right direction.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Man, I was at the crib and I got this order. I said, oh yeah, I'll leave the house for an order like this. This one came in on Walmart Spark at the Walmart right by the crib. I was like, yes, sir. This order right here is putting me almost 40% to my daily goal in one order, the first order of the day. This is why I love the gig economy, guys. When I used to work a W-2, I used to have to wake up, hit a schedule, you know, get paid anywhere from about 15 to 18 bucks an hour. Then I work my way up to about 20. And you know, some days you wake up tired, some days you wake up, you gotta use the bathroom. You know, you might be running late. You don't gotta deal with none of that in the gig economy because you're your own boss. You get to set the hours you wanna work. And if you do it the right way, you can work the best times and maximize and make the most money. I turned Walmart Spark on because I knew them grocery orders was gonna be going out this morning. And first order they hit my phone with 38 bucks and some change, 3 customers all day long. I think it was about 8 miles on that order. I said, if I do this order, it was 9:30 when they sent it to me. It said pick up at 9:45. I knew they wasn't gonna have it ready right at 9:45. So I get there about 9:50. I got the order right now. The time is 10:08. So all together, from the time I accepted this order, it's been 38 minutes, right? But that don't matter because I was at the crib chilling. I was editing the video. And now that I got this order, I said, as long as I get this order by 10 o'clock and I drop it off by 11 o'clock, anybody gonna take that. That's $38 for an hour. Yeah, I accepted it at 9:30. But it's 10 o'clock and I got this order picked up, and we gonna see if I can get all of these orders done within the first hour. And that's how you maximize in the gig economy. You gotta work the peak hours, you gotta maximize, and you gotta take advantage of all the opportunities that you have available to you. I knew that food delivery is good, you know, on a Friday, but guess what? If I can get in there and I can get me a couple good shopping orders to start the day off, or a couple grocery orders, that's how you maximize. So we finna get this first order dropped off. We're gonna have $38 on the tally, getting our feet wet, getting some numbers up on the board. And that's what I wanna show you guys. A lot of us don't turn on Doordash right at 9 in the morning. Sometimes we wait till about 11 or 11:30. I was up, I said, you know, let me turn on Instacart, let me turn on Walmart Spark. Turned it on, and boom, look what happened. Now, I'm not saying it's gonna happen like that every day, but on the days that those $38 orders is out there, and I can get those $38 orders done in an hour before I do any food delivery, those are gonna be my best earnings days. So let's go. We almost there. Let's go ahead and get these. Let's get the first order of these 3 dropped off. The time right now is 10:09. We just dropped off to our first customer, and customer number 2 is right around the corner. This mileage on these apps is not correct, and it's not correct in a good way. This is the 3rd time in the last 2 days where the incorrect mileage has worked in my favor. So now this $40 or $38 order has now become even better because the mileage was wrong, but in favor of the driver. Let's go. And there was an alcohol delivery right there. So it's probably gonna be some extra tips on that order. This is how you wanna start your day off, guys. Time is now 10:27, so I've officially been on this order for 20 minutes, and I got the first 2 parts already dropped off, and we heading to the 3rd customer right now. I'm finna be at the 3rd customer in the next 4 minutes, and then I'm finna have 30 more minutes left in this hour to either get another Walmart Spark order, or a Doordash order, or Uber Eats order. $100 is gonna be a very easy goal for today. I might have to go ahead and expand that to about 150. Let me know in the comments below what I should do. But the point is, easy money, and I'm taking advantage of all the opportunities. Time is now 10:38. We got all 3 of those orders done, and I'm on my way back to Walmart right now. That was a great offer. We had 3 great customers. Each one of them customers were nice and courteous. Hold on. Each one of them customers were nice and courteous. They were right there ready to greet me. See, that's the thing about picking up orders in the morning time, guys. Like, you're gonna have the customers on the grocery pickup, they be ready. We got 20 minutes before this hour is up, and I just got another order to finish this hour out. We got I wish it was a $20 order. We got $6.50 for, I think it said 2.5 miles or something like that. I'll throw a screenshot up, but it's right here at Chick-fil-A. My Chick-fil-A be jamming. We about to pull up to that chicken spot where they got that chicken first thing in the morning, and this is gonna secure us a guaranteed $40 hour, first hour of the day, maximizing using the gig apps in the gig economy. Now looky here, if you made it this far in the video, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that like button and that subscribe button for your boy. For you?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Let me get a Doordash picture real quick. Thank you, man. Have a good one. This one is a hand to me. Saying I think the customer is right up here.
Requested you hand them the order.
Absolutely.
They added the following instructions. Hand it to me.
Yep, we finna hand her this order. We got a double order 1250s. And we will be handing it to the customer. Hello. How you doing this morning?
Good, how are you?
Careful, man.
Okay,
Got
thank
that?
you.
No problem. You mind if I get a quick DoorDash picture?
Oh, okay.
Just for the delivery. Thank you so much.
Okay, thanks. Have
No
a good
problem.
day.
You have a great day too. Got ourselves an order at Chick-fil-A, $10 for 5 miles. This one came in as, but I was quite a bit of ways from Chick-fil-A, so it's probably a lot less than 5 miles. Chick-fil-A was ready to go. This is the smallest Chick-fil-A order I ever grabbed, just a little salad. I've been out for an hour so far this morning. It is 11:45 right now. So lunchtime is starting to pick up. We're starting to really see some orders come through. You see, I just got this Chick-fil-A, $10 for 5 miles. I did a few orders earlier already, all on DoorDash. Got a few offers on Uber Eats. I got a shopping pay at Walgreens for $6, but it was like 5 miles, so I went on and declined that one. Walmart Spark is trash. Haven't been seeing any good offers over there. And my customer rating went down because I accepted an order yesterday and had to cancel it because they was taking all day, and I'm the fastest dasher alive. I had to cancel it. And I guess one of them 3 customers didn't like that, and my customer rating went down. But see, what I don't understand is, how can your customer rating go down when you never pick up the order? This is the problem I'm having with Walmart Spark. But you know what? It's all peanuts. It really means nothing. I got this Chick-fil-A order in the car, $10 for 5 miles. This is my 3rd order. No, not my 3rd one. This is like my 4th order of the morning. So I ain't tripping off no Walmart Spark. We making good money right over here on DoorDash. Now, let's see. I'm going to go ahead and have a look-see over here at the map and see which direction I need to head, because I like to make sure that I'm going in the right direction. Dropping off this Chick-fil-A order. $10, 5 miles. All day long, I'm taking that. Let's go ahead and set that right there. Let's get our DoorDash picture. Boom, and we out. Next order on the tally, we got some little Subway action. This one came in at $5.25 for 1.3 miles. Right before this, they sent me a 10-mile order at Penn Station. It was like $11 for 9 miles. I said, you know what, I'm good on that, but I will take this one. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Shout out to Subway, man. They had that thing ready to go. So far today, I think I've only declined 1 offer, and it was that 10-mile offer that they just tried to send me. If they keep it up like this, DoorDash, I will have no problem accepting, you know, a $5.25 order going 1 mile, or sometimes even a $4.75 going a mile or less. I love it. You know, you can get 3 to 4 orders done per hour if they send orders like this, where you can get in, get out, keep them wheels rolling. You know, Subway, a lot of your sandwich shops, Penn Station, they're gonna be able to get you up out of there quickly. And then on the flip side, you got your curbside pickup spot. So you got your Chipotle, you got your Freddy's, you got, who else that you pick up through the drive-thru? KFC. These are the places that's gonna increase your deliveries per hour so that you can begin to get 3 or 4 of them done, because once you hit that threshold of knocking out 3-4 deliveries per hour, then it just becomes a matter of, okay, what is the minimum order amount I need to accept so that I can hit whatever dollar amount I'm trying to hit? So I give you an example. I like to hit like 25, 30 bucks an hour in the slow times, and I like to go hard and try to get over 40 when it's busy. So right now when it's slow, you know, if I'm talking about a single app, if I can get $6 to $8 per delivery, get, you know, 3 to 4 deliveries done per hour, that's gonna be 24 bucks an hour. That's how you gotta look at it when it comes to the gig economy. How many trips per hour? How many orders per hour? That way you can knock them out before the next hour starts, and you can keep your hourly rate up like that. Decrease all your dead time, decrease your dead miles, and maximize your profits. Let's get it. So look, if you about maximizing them profits, I need you to do me a favor. First and foremost, thanks for being here, but hit that like button and the subscribe button, because we showing you how to maximize here on this channel. You know, yeah, there's gonna be some entertainment. We're gonna sprinkle in some, you know, trending topics, some drama, but for the most part, I want you guys to come to this channel, and I want you to feel like you got some value as far as, hey, I learned a little something, or I got a different perspective on how to work these apps and to make this money. Because look here, my ultimate goal is to be a full-time day trader, and I'm using the gig economy and the gig apps, including YouTube, to reach that goal. Yes, sir. Another easy Doordash delivery, and I ain't even got to walk up the steps of this one. Just set that right there. Get my picture, make sure we get the address in there, and we just dropped off that Subway order, guys, and we right back. I just got to order 625 plus at one of my favorite spots to pick up from. This right here is Wasabi. Wasabi got all the best orders, y'all. This is the sushi spot. So if you new to dashing, make sure you know where your local sushi spot is, because that's where you're gonna get the best order. Now, some places you pick up from, they'll send you a little notification like, hey, so-and-so order is ready. And this is definitely one of them spots. They sent me the notification as soon as I accepted the order. They was like, oh, so-and-so order ready. So we got an order, total will be higher. And I got a notification saying that it's ready. Let's get it. And just like that, they said it was ready, and that thing is ready to go. 1 mile away, this is easy money. Dropping off that sushi, $6.50 plus, 1 mile, all day long. Look at here, new dashers. These the kind of orders you want to do. From pickup to drop off, we talking about a total of 7 minutes. Just snatched me a little Lion Choice order, $6.75 for 3 miles. And then they sent me a Chipotle add-on, an additional 5 miles, additional $5 for 2 miles. Let's go. Yes, sir. Lion's Choice was ready to go. Now we finna pull 2 spots over and hit up this Chipotle drive-through. Grab this add-on real quick and make another $11.75, and we're gonna add that to the tally. Now I did do some calculations. I had $28.25 on my first dash, currently sitting at $22 even on this dash right here. So that's $50 right there, and I got another $11.75 in orders. So we're gonna be sitting at $61.75 in the first 2.5 hours. Let's get it. Now, it's still early. It's the morning time. I don't expect to be getting no huge offers, no bangers, not until the dinner shift. Now, I could work this breakfast lunch shift all the way through to about 2 or 3 o'clock, or maybe even 4 if I really wanted to, but it's no reason for me to go hard right now. I got lots of things I need to get done at home, and I'm actually waiting for the temperature to drop a little bit, because it's still like 80 degrees, 85 degrees on a regular, and I need it to be like 70, 72, 75-ish before I start committing and going out and working longer days doing the food delivery. Because here's the thing, like I can't just be out here all day in this heat like this. Even though I got the AC in this car, even though all that's good and all well, I still need to be able to work in my most fuel efficient vehicle so that I can make the most money when I'm out there delivering. And right now it's way too hot for me to be doing anything like that. So we're gonna stay rocking in the Kia. I'm gonna keep working 2 to 3 hour shifts at a time, and I'm gonna jam like that because I'm not trying to overwork myself. And if I'm gonna go hard and I'm putting in them hours, I want to be in the most fuel efficient vehicle as possible. Now I just had to circle around this parking lot because they decided they wanted to block off the dang entrance to Chipotle. So now I got to figure out another way to get around and go up in there. This is crazy. Alrighty, got that Chick-fil-A dropped off. What was that, $7.75 for like 3 miles? Got my next order. I just pulled up the PetSmart and I was about to sit here for a second, you know, go through some of my video clips, and I didn't even get a chance to. Doordash sent me my next order. We got $6.50 for 1 point something miles. I'm gonna throw a screenshot up right here. But we heading into the end of the lunch shift, beginning of that dead time, that 2 o'clock to 4 p.m. time. But if I'm getting orders in this time period, I'm about to keep it going. I did not do any work this morning. Oh, excuse me. I just got done eating some Lion's Choice. Normally, I head out a couple hours in the morning time, get a few orders done. But I didn't even do that today because I was actually looking up some different things for DaVinci Resolve, the editing program I use. And I found me a couple cool little plugins and some cool things to do with captions in general. So we got to continue improving. We got to continue leveling up when it comes to making these ride-alongs, being a YouTuber, making content, editing that content. I had to put a little time into that this morning. But now that we done with all that and I got me some lunch, it's time to make this money. $7.75 on the Chick-fil-A order, and this one came in at $6.50 plus. It said Wingstop, so it's probably gonna go up by a quarter, but that's cool though because it's a 1 mile order and it keeps me within my zone. Now, if I can get a stack when I get here, that's gonna be my best case scenario. At this time of day, you normally don't get stacks too often, but seeing that it is Wingstop, there's a higher chance that I can get stacked from that. You got Wingstop, Chipotle, Freddy's, Hawaiian Bros, Taco Bell. These are all my stackable merchants that I love going to. Stop off and I got another one right back at Wingstop, but this one ain't as good. We got $4.50 for 2 miles, but I'm hoping I get a stack. You know, it's not dinner time yet, so if I get an order like this, I'm pretty much gonna be taking it. But I just hope they can go ahead and stack it with another Wingstop. Alrighty, so we pretty much got the perfect scenario. I just pulled up to Wingstop right there, $4.50 for 2 miles, and they sent me an add-on, $6 plus $6 plus. That's the perfect order I was looking for, and it's right here at Qdoba. So I don't have any additional driving distance. I just have to wait on these orders now. Wingstop like you to confirm the order when you get it. So I'm finna grab this Qdoba order first. That way I don't have to have no issues with my merchants that I pick up from a lot. I confirm it in their face. And I'm gonna make sure I got this one first. That way it won't be no wait time, just in case Qdoba don't got this ready. Next up, got a $7.75 for, what was that, 3.4, or was it 4 miles? But it's 54th Street, so I was already right there. Picked that up. And it's going right over here by this little park I like to go to and post up at. So we finna head over to this park. I'm gonna take me a little break. I like making money on my own terms. Like, I went out, handled a couple bills, took care of a couple things, and then I was able to make me like 30 bucks of that money right back. And now I get to say, you know what, I'm tired of working. I'm about to go chill for a little second, and I start back working when I'm ready. That's the power of the gig economy, guys. Make sure you stay powerful out here. Favor, hit me with a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.